Hey guys, it is your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I am here to give you guys an overview of the website Made with Over. They do have a web app. I don't know if it's still in beta. There are a few things that I have an issue with, but I have been using it to kind of get my large size that I need for Redbubble with Made with Over. So I'm going to show you guys quickly how I do that and how this just helps me to upload basically one file to Redbubble versus 100. But sometimes it just depends. I just go in and use the 16,000 by 16,000 for things like the shower curtain, the vase covers, and more. So if you are new here, make sure you hit subscribe to be notified every time that I release a new button by hitting the notification bell. So this is Made with Over. It is hosted by GoDaddy. So when you open it up and log in, this is the first screen you'll see. Of course, they have images, text, graphics, shapes, templates. We're just really here to use the canvas size. So I'm going to put in the 16,000 by 16,000. And let me tell you, it's huge. So I'm going to make this 10%. Because I'm telling you, you won't be able to see it at all. So what I normally do is I hit my image, I grab my image. I'm going to grab the 5,000 by 5,000 waves that I did on a Redbubble video. And you're going to have to trust yourself with this one because it is a large file. And I don't know, let's see. That's the full screen. Go down some and let's see, fit. Let's fit, fill, and exit full screen. So this thing is huge. So when you do this, you can see how big it is. So I'm going to bring that back. Make sure I do fill. Hopefully that does the image, and I'm just going to put Redbubble ocean waters, and then I'm going to hit PNG, but here you can change it to JPEG if you need to. And one way that I know that it ended up being 16,000 by 16,000 because for some reason this screen seems like you can't see the whole thing. And it's annoying to me because I would want to make sure that I'm getting the entire canvas. I don't know if that's like maybe something that they need to work on, but it's really sucky for me to try to figure it out. So kind of one way that I make sure to get that is, let's see, the download is to just open it up and see, is the edges covered. So this looks to be like the whole thing is covered, right? Also, sorry guys, let me go back in to my downloads. Where did it go? It just disappeared. Oh, here it goes. Is to kind of basically check out the properties and just make sure that it is what it says it is. But also here you can see my white part is not there, so it's not completely covered. So I would need to move this up. Okay, so I don't know how much, but I would need to move it up. Export it again and wait for it to download, and then again look at it in my downloads to see if I covered the whole screen. This is tedious, but this was one of the easiest ways that I figured out how to do it for free. Again, not everyone is willing to do the tedious things, but I am, especially when it comes to me not having to spend more money. Of course, in Canva, you can't go large like this, but in this app, you can, which is amazing because you're not going to find a lot of, like PicMonkey, you can't do 16,000 by 16,000 either. So that's out of the question as well. And I'm going to go over here and okay. So we're looking at it. This is the second one. I still got some space here. And you just kind of play with this until you get it. And again, like I said, not everyone is willing to test this out and do it. But I am. So it's up to you whether you want to do it. I'm going to do it one more time and see how close I got to getting this image as full as possible. And then I'm going to end this video. But we don't know if it's going to come out or not. Just based on if I think this is good content or not. So if I do, it'll make it on my YouTube channel. If not, it won't. And that's okay too. But so are we there? Looks like we're basically there. So now it's actually 16,000 by 16,000. Again, now you can tell because it's fully covered. So this is one way you can use 16,000 by 16,000 for your Redbubble duvet covers, shower curtains, and anything else on that website. You probably can use this for Society 6 as well because they do have larger scales just like Redbubble. So I hope this was helpful, and if you decide to use Made with Over to help you create these larger prints, that would be great for your business because it's free. There's not another thing that you have to pay for. So that is helpful as well. And you can pay your assistant to do this for you because, again, like I said, it is tedious. I had to do it 3 times to get it correct. But hopefully in the meantime, they figure out a way that I can see this full screen. Let me know if you guys use this app. Is there something that I'm missing to see the full screen? I see this little gray thing down here, but it's not like a little, I can't move side to side. So you guys let me know if there's something I'm missing here with Made with Over, something I need to do with my computer screen to be able to see the full scale. Let me know down in the comment section below. But I hope this video helps you guys in your print on demand journey. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.